Here's something I'm working on. I'm using the roller thingy from another lock to re-tumbler this lock after I pulled them. Come on, focus. After I pulled them from my spare one. This one was old and worn out, and I'm popping those in there, whatever they're called. I think those are the tumblers, or maybe these are the tumblers. I don't know, or maybe this whole unit is a tumbler. But I finally got it all put back together. Replaced that second one there, and give it a little bit of a polish. So hopefully now, don't drop any of that, and I can get the remaining two in there. See, here's the more roundy bit. Then put that in there. Hold that in place. Slide this in a little further. Yeah. Then now that's holding those in place. Just hold still. Nope. It worked. So let's see here. Next is to put this thing here. Keep those from launching. Oh, it spins. All right. A little bit rough there. Get some nice little brass shavings in there. Now I have two of these. This one's a longer one. I can always cut it and make it shorter. There we go. Now I need a clip. Yeah. Ooh. There we go. One way. Ooh. Trying to see if there's any. Oh no, you bastard! Oh, oh, you prick! Come on. Woo! Almost made a mess. So. Do it like that. Like that. Oop. Probably just ooh. Those little things are that was the clip here that I was hopefully now. All right. Super. It's a little stiff, but I think a little bit of oil make that work just right.